Hello and welcome to Absolute India News. Today at Absolute Reel of the Week, we present you the top highlights of Tinseltown. The rise in COVID cases in December 2021 led to closure of theatre in some states, which triggered many big-ticket releases to hold their release. Now, as the situation is under control, new release dates of some of the much-anticipated B-Town films were announced this week. While Gangubai Kathiawadi is all set to release on 18th of February, RRR will now release on 25th March. While avoiding clash with RRR, Kartik Aaryan and Kiara Advani starer Bhool Bhulaiya 2 will now hit the theatres on May 20. While B-Town divas are looked upon as fashion icons, sometimes even they go wrong in an attempt to make style statement. Some B-Town divas this week were trolled for their attires. बहन शमिता शेट्टी की बर्थडे पार्टी में ऊप्स मूवमेंट का शिकार हुई शिल्पा शेट्टी, हवा से उड़ी ड्रेस। तो वहीं दूसरी ओर एक्ट्रेस मलाइका अरोरा बैकलेस टॉप में हुई ऊप्स मूवमेंट का शिकार जब वो हुई थी फ्रेंड करीना कपूर खान और बहन अमृता अरोरा के साथ स्पॉट। बिग बॉस OTT contestant Urfi Javed, who loves experimenting with her style, got brutally trolled yet again while grooving on a viral trend in a backless top. इसी हफ्ते खबर ये भी आई कि एक्टर कॉमेडियन सुनील ग्रोवर की हुई हार्ट सर्जरी। According to reports, Sunil was diagnosed with blockages in his heart and had to undergo a surgery. Veteran actor Ramesh Dio passed away on Wednesday at the age of 93 due to heart attack. Actor filmmaker Amitabh Dayal breathed his last after he suffered a massive cardiac arrest a few days back. He was also tested COVID positive. Amitabh Dayal, in his last post on social media, shared a video of himself from the hospital and wrote a motivational message about never giving up. Ranvijay Singh quits MTV Roadies after being associated with the show for 18 years. Actor Sonu Sood will now replace him as the host of the show Roadies. As per reports, Amitabh Bachchan sold his ancestral Delhi house Sopan for a whopping amount of Rs 23 crores. Raj Kundra transfers apartments in Mumbai worth Rs 38.5 crores to Shilpa Shetty Kundra. आपको बता दें कि बीते दिनों राज कुंद्रा पोर्नोग्राफी केस के चलते पुलिस कस्टडी में थे, जिसके चलते उन्होंने काफी सुर्खियां बटोरी। Actress Kangana Ranaut, who never fails to grab attention, is once again the talk of the town as she is all set to make her digital debut as host with show Lock Up. Lock Up की बात करें तो ये शो काफी यूनिक होगा, जहां 16 सेलिब्रिटी कंटेस्टेंट्स 72 डेज के लिए लॉक होंगे। मौनी रॉय के बाद टीवी की दूसरी मशहूर अभिनेत्री की होने जा रही है शादी। हम बात कर रहे हैं करिश्मा तन्ना की। The actress will marry her beau Varun Banghera on February 5. The pre-wedding festivities have already begun with Haldi and Mehndi ceremony. Another popular B-Town couple of Bollywood have hinted at getting married. According to the reports, Farhan Akhtar and Shibani Dandekar are all set to tie the knot on February 21. Their wedding will be an intimate affair with only close friends and family members in attendance. Trailer of much-awaited film Gangubai Kathiawadi was released this week. So talking about the trailer, Alia Bhatt as an indomitable queen of Kamathipura is a treat to the eyes. Be it powerful dialogues giving us goosebumps to funny punches making us laugh in the trailer, it is something definitely you cannot miss. And after watching the trailer, all we can say is that we definitely cannot wait to witness Alia Bhatt in a different avatar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow our channel Absolute India News on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and website.